everyone! Happy WIP Wednesday! I am so excited to be here. Look what I just got, some mail. So I wanted to come on here, say hi to everybody, tell me what's on your hooks. I've been waiting for my knit crate, so I wanted to open it with you on camera. I'm so excited about this, oh my gosh. So if you haven't heard of what knit crate is, it is so fun. You get basically a gift of yarn every month, and they send you some fabulous yarn. Oh my god. Okay, so they send you some fabulous yarn every month, and then with it, oh my gosh, this is so soft. Ooh, with it comes a magazine with some patterns in it. I got the membership, the Knit Crate membership. For every month they send me 2 skeins of yarn, and they're different every month. Oh my gosh, love it. And then it comes with this little magazine here, and inside the magazine for the Knit Crate membership, it has a crochet pattern and a knitting pattern. So if you crochet, you can oh my goodness, you can get one of these memberships, or you can get a knitting one too. And they have different memberships. They have a sock membership to make socks every month. They have the artisan one too, that's just knitting. So I'll put a link in the description of this video for you. I'm so intrigued, and I'm so excited. Oh my goodness, this is awesome. Thank you, Knit Crate. I love this. I'll put a link in the description of this video so you can see more of what Knit Crate is, and if you want to sign up for it. This colorway is called the Vitalana Ambient Worsted Weight yarn. It's Peruvian wool, and the color is called Dawn Blush. I love it. So big thank you to Knit Crate for that. Also, tell me what's on your hooks, everybody. I've been so out of breath lately. I've been moving around a lot and doing a lot of things. Actually, today we had an eye exam. I feel like I've been at the doctor almost every day for the past 2 weeks now. So we're just going in to see the doctor a lot, making sure baby's okay. Baby's wonderful, but we haven't found out yet, and I want to ask you, what team are you on? Are you team pink or team baby blue? So let me know what your guesses are, because we're gonna find out very soon, and I cannot wait to share it with everybody, because this is really exciting. Because yes, we're gonna find out so we can plan the baby's nursery and our whole life with this baby. So I'm not sure which one to lean towards, but let me know in the comments what your vote is, and we'll play a game out of it. And I've been working on, let's see, what have I been working on? Some exciting new projects. We didn't have a chance to film yet that hat that I want to make. Some of you already guessed it though, what it's gonna be, so I can't wait to share it with everybody from last week. If you haven't seen last week's WIP Wednesday video, check that out. I share a little sneak peek of that project. And I was wanting to make a pair of booties, but I'm not sure if I should use pink or blue, so I was thinking of making it in both and just deciding later. And I have this Amore yarn in Peaceful, and this colorway is just, I love the Amore yarns. It's so pretty, so soft and buttery, and I think this would make a great baby booty. So I have it in pink, and I ordered some in the light blue color as well. So I'll be getting that soon. So I'll design some baby booties and share a tutorial with everybody. And another really cool thing that's really popular in the crochet community right now are these fur poms. Have you made something with fur poms before, like a hat? I've used these in a lot of hats, and actually the hat that I'm going to make this, hopefully this week we film it. The hat that I'm about to make has 2 of these fur poms. Now I got these ones, there's a big assortment in my bag here. I've got a bunch of these poms, and they came in a package, and I just ordered them on Amazon. If you want to get poms like these exact ones, I'll link these ones in the description of this video. I think I got a pack of, I think it was a pack of a dozen of them, and there was 2 of each color. So there was 2 of these, there's 2 of these, 2 of these, and then there's like a foxy color, 2 of these. So, and there was, I think, a few more in there too. But yeah, they all come 2 of each, and I think it was like $12, but it'll say in the link. I'll link it so you can get these poms if you want. But I know a lot of people have been making their own poms, which is really cool. So I was gonna try to maybe buy some fur fabric. What you do is you get fur fabric, and then you cut it in a circle, and then you stuff like the center of the circle with stuffing, like polyfill, and then just wrap the fur like around the polyfill and sew that circle closed and cinch it, and it makes a fur. And so you can use like long furs, short furs, different fur fabrics that you can get at any fabric store. So you can make your own, or you can buy a bunch on Amazon and just have fun fur poms for your hats or the ends of blankets or something really fun. They're really soft and cute. So I wanted to share that with everybody too. So, but yeah, let me know what's on your hook right now. I'm probably gonna design baby booties pretty soon, and that will be on my hook this afternoon. And I have some other things in the works. I have something in the works that I wanted to tell you guys, but I can't yet. And I know that sounds so horrible of me, like I'm keeping secrets, but I'm not trying to. It's just that it's coming up very soon. I'll have a little bit of announcement, and I'm going to be meeting somebody very cool, very special, and I can't wait to share that with all of you as well. So that's coming up soon too. So that's really all I have today. Thank you all for all your comments and the love and support, and this baby feels so much love and support already. It's so wonderful. You guys are so great, and it's so exciting. This is such an exciting time in our lives, you know, with the baby and with all the crochet projects. It's a new year, and we're just feeling really good. So I just wanted to hop on, say hi this week, and hopefully we'll have a video tutorial out very soon for the hat that I designed, as well as those baby booties. And let me know, team pink or team blue? I'm excited to know what you guys think. I was like, there's some days where I'm leaning towards pink, and then there's some days I'm leaning towards blue, and I'm like, ooh, I'm not sure, but we'll find out, and I cannot wait to share and reveal that with all of you very soon. So until next time, happy hooking!